It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me, yeah.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Like a meal. I'm feeling good. I got the Draco on me, boy, that really is a fact. That bill like 2, boy, I rolled on the pack. Hey, I pull up to the block, I'm trying to make the pack it down. Don't know what that boy is on, and I'm trying to bring him out. I'm trying to leave him in the ditch, I'm trying to leave him in a casket. I'll spin his grave, boy, I don't go. I'm passing, boy, I really feeling fast. Hop up out the track and leave him stuck. I'm down some man capacity, boy, I really, hey, I really mess. Shoot him in the head, I got that boy finished. Don't know what that boy's talking about, I really shoot him in. Hey, I got that new intent. Hey, I feel like in the tail. I don't know what that boy is on, and I'll walk him down for real. Hey, God bless him. All I need is mesh and gloves, I walk him down for real. I don't know what you're talking about, I shoot that boy up off the drill. Hey, measure dog drill, I walk him down. I don't know what that boy is on, and I don't know what that boy about. And I'm trying to bring him out here, I'm trying to do this all now. I'm trying to walk him down, I'm trying to boom, and I really shoot him now. Hey, I don't know what that boy is on, I'm trying to bring him out. I'm trying to shoot the boy for sure, I will him down, let's fall. Hey, that's a fat pill knocking at my door. Don't know what you're talking about, and that's for sad. And boy, that's a fact for sure. I don't know what you're talking about, and I was still so. I was walking down on 4 hands, capping for the net. He capping for the net, and that's a fact. MTR, we walking down, shoot you on your diet track. I'm really walking down, I don't know what that boy is on. I pull up to the block and now I shoot him down for sure. I got an all like Draco B, I really walk him down. I don't know what that boy is on, and I don't know what that boy about, man. Shoot him, man. This song ain't over. I'm trying to walk him down, don't know what that boy is on, and I'm trying to bring him around, I'm trying to shoot him down for sure. I'm hop out the truck, and now we'll get him gone. I'm quick for far for real, hey, I shoot him off the drill. I'm the bitch in the game, I walk him down. I don't know what these niggas on, I don't know what they bout. I'm trying to walk him down, just trying to get away, I'm trying to shoot him down, bitch. Hey, okay, show you, nigga.